Hello guys, welcome to Antic Tech. In this video we will be looking at 5 things that most Android users probably don't know about. Make sure you watch this video right till the end. On number 1 we have the safe mode. If you are a daily Android user and use some third-party applications, and as always some or the other time they misbehave and your smartphone starts lagging and you are left clueless which one is the culprit. What you should do is reboot it in the safe mode by long pressing your power button until power option menu appears. Then long press the power off option and you will be asked if you want to reboot your Android device into safe mode. Tap the OK button. When your Android smartphone is booted in the safe mode, all the third-party applications are temporarily disabled for some time and thus hunting down the culprit easily. On number 2 we have lost notification. Remember those times when you are in a hurry and by mistake you clear all the important notifications or some important one, you can see it what it was using an app called Notification Hub, but it will show only notifications that were quite recent ones. But other thing you can do is go on your home screen, click to add the widgets and then scroll down or swipe left, whatever your phone supports, until you see settings shortcut widget. Touch and hold it and move it to your home screen. Then you will see a menu. Go down and select notification log. In this shortcut you will see all the notification that you got and you can track it down in your apps. You only have to do this once. Next time you lose a notification you will find this in your shortcut. On number 3 we have offline Google Maps. If you are going out somewhere, a place that is not much familiar to you, and on top of that you don't have an internet connection on your phone, then before leaving your house you can download the map of that place in the Google Maps application and then save it for offline. So when you are out you can easily track down the path you need to go. This will help you a lot, and later you can even delete the offline area that you downloaded when you don't need it anymore. On number 4 we have cached data. Ever encountered a slow phone with apps crashing again and again and that really get on your nerves and you don't know what to do or what to delete? Then just go to the settings, click on the storage, and at the bottom you will see cached data. For some people it will be around 100 MB and for some people it can be over 2 gigabytes. After you clear this, you will notice a drastic change in your phone speed and hopefully no more crashing apps and lagging phone. Note, you will not lose any kind of personal data from clearing cached data. On number 5 we have backing up to prevent loss of data. If you fear that you can lose your precious images and videos in case of a broken, lost or dead phone, then what you should do now is download and open Google Photos application from the Google Play Store, and in the left menu click on the settings. Select a backup Google account. Below that you can see backup device folders. Click on it and select your valuable folders that you want to backup over Wi-Fi. After all this is done, you don't need to worry anymore. All the files of those folders will be backed automatically, and on whichever device you log in with in future, you can get back all your pics and videos just by installing this app on that phone. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up. Comment down if you have any questions. I will try to answer them all. And most importantly, subscribe to the channel and I will keep you guys updated with more such awesome videos. Till then, have a great day and thanks for watching guys.